Okay, on example 5, we're asked to find just the sixth term in the binomial expansion, and we have a little formula for that. The formula for the ith term, where I in this case is 6, is the combination n over I minus 1 and a to the n minus I plus 1 b to the I minus 1. All right, so let's identify I, N, A, and B. So A equals X, B equals -4, N equals 16, and I, they've asked us for the sixth term, so I is 6. So plugging into our formula, we get N is 16, I minus 1 is 6 minus 1, which is 5. And we get A, which is X, to the, I'm just going to type this in, 16 minus I plus 1. And then B is -4 to the 6 minus 1, which is 5. All right, simplifying. The combination 16 and 5 comes out to 4,368. And it looks like I have X to the 16 minus 6 is 10 plus 1 to the 11th power. And I get -4 to the 5th, which is -1,024. So when I do all my multiplication, I get -4,478,800, no, try that again. 4,470,000, okay, 2,832. Yeah, 4,472,832. Wow, I can't even say that number. Okay, X to the 11th. Okay, again, a little bit of a debate on showing you this, but I thought that A was different enough that it was worth showing you this problem. So A is complicated. It's got both X and Y in it. B is not so bad, and N is 14, and they just want us to write the first three terms. So 14 and 0, X squared Y to the 14th power, 14 and 1, so we get X squared Y to the 13th power, and now B shows up to the first power, so the first three terms, almost there, 14 and 2, X squared Y to the 12th power, and 3 gets squared. Simplifying, we get X 2 times 14 is 28, Y to the 14th power, plus 14 times 3, I'm just moving that multiplication up, X 2 times 13 is 26, Y to the 13th power, plus the combination 14 and 2 is 91 times 9. X 2 times 12 is 24, Y to the 12th power, and those are my first three terms. Let's simplify the multiplication. 3 times 14 is 42, and 91 times 9 gives me 819. Okay. Last problem, find the fifth term of the expansion. So again, we're going to use that little formula, n over I minus 1. and a to the n minus I plus 1, b to the I minus 1. All right, a is 3x. B is negative 2y. N equals 12, and they want the fifth term, so I equals 5. 12, and 5 minus 1 is 4. A 3x to the 12 minus I plus 1, and then b is negative 2y to the 5 minus 1 to the fourth power. All right, the combination 12, 4 will give me 495. And I get 3x to the 12 minus 5 is 7 plus 1 to the 8th. And negative 2 to the fourth power gives me a positive 16. And then I get y to the fourth. Still simplifying. Probably should have written that as 3 to the 8th. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that because I don't want to do another step. 3 to the 8th times x to the 8th. And when I multiply 4 to 95 times 3 to the 8 times 16, I get this fantastic number of 51,963,120 x to the 8th, y to the 4th. Done with that lesson, done with college algebra.